You don't get rid of that. You keep that at home until next month. This is yours to wear at the end of the month. You give it back, and then you earn it again. You get to wear it again. Sir, bow your head down.
Sir?
Come back up. Did you get it, Mom?
I got it.
All right. There's nobody in the world that has a belt just like you. Well, they're not. Nobody in our school.
I may tear up and cry.
Me too.
I'm so proud.
Mr. Hunter has not only progressed in his martial arts skills, but his respect and self-discipline has really made a big turnaround from when we saw him start in school at Holiday Heights to coming to karate class, and his respect and his focus. So, sir, we're very proud of you, and you get to wear that belt, and you can explain to everybody why you're wearing it. It's because you're the most improved in the school for this month. Bow forward. Face Miss Betty and bow. Congratulations, sir.